In the next segment, we're trying to explore the mobile phone revolution and what the phone can do for you today.
How much do you know about your phone? This question might seem redundant to many, but experts tell us that there might be more to that phone than you actually know. Let us start by looking at traditional mobile or a feature phone and what we know today as a smartphone.
Okay, the difference is between a feature phone and a smartphone. A feature phone actually is limited to the operating system or the softwares. They have rudimentary softwares, or what I can call simple operating systems on them, which gives it the ability to just make calls, to do text messaging and some other applications like maybe calculator, and some feature phones can actually play simple games. And for the smartphone, a smartphone actually has more advanced operating systems, and it can do multi-purpose computing compared to a feature phone. With a smartphone, you can actually install software. You can even actually uninstall software like programs, like applications like WhatsApp, which you cannot access on a feature phone.
Some people choose to go for both feature and smartphones due to a number of reasons, as this mobile consultant explains.
Now, the reason why people still buy button phones at the same time have a smartphone, there are many. Someone may say, I want a feature phone because I need more battery. Because as we know, feature phones can save more battery because they don't have many applications that are going to consume battery. Another person may say, I want a feature phone because it's comfortable to hold. If I'm going in a busy place, or maybe I'm going out to party and I'm scared of the security of my phone, I can actually have a feature phone. Another person will say, I don't need a smartphone because a smartphone will be very busy. I'll be receiving emails, I'll be receiving WhatsApp, I'll be receiving many numerous messages. But with a feature phone, I'm only going to text and make a call, so it makes life easy for me.
Here are some of the functions a smartphone presents over feature phone.
We can actually access more functions on a smartphone. One is the advanced cameras that is becoming the trend on most smartphones. We can take advanced photographies and actually convert them into digital form in normal pictures when we print them out. We can actually do documentations on a smartphone. We can do Word, PowerPoint, spreadsheet. We can actually even install softwares like accounting software on your smartphone. You can actually install more software which can use to track maybe your car is lost. We have GPS on a smartphone. We can use a smartphone to locate places which we cannot access on a feature phone.
While the earlier versions of the smartphone cost a fortune which limited many from accessing them, today the general reduction in the cost of smartphones, driven largely by affordable Chinese brands, has made it possible for more people today to access these phones and tap into benefits they present.
So I think for Techno, this brand in Uganda, our growth rate is really high. So compared to 2018 and 2017, our growth is almost 99% for smartphone users. There's one reason, like a lot of people, they start to change from feature phone to smartphone. And also more and more people to switch their phone to our brand from another brand. And in the whole Africa, we can say maybe in Sub-Sahara, our growth is also quite well.
Today, many of us can afford smartphones. It won't hurt if we travel that extra step to find out how much more we can do with these phones.